Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this black and gold sugar skull makeup look. To start this look, I'm outlining the eyes in black face paint, and we're going to fill in that circle with black. Along the lids and waterline, I'm going over this with black eyeshadow. Next, using Mehron's metallic gold powder, I made it into a gel eyeshadow, and if you'd like a tutorial on this, I can make another video. But now I'm using this to outline the black circles. Then I'm adding a gold dot pattern to the inside of the eyes. Next, I'm making a triangle shape for the nose area and filling that in with black. Then I'm making an upside down triangle shape and then filling in the forehead area with black, just doing the above the eyes and forehead. Then I began with the gold pattern on the forehead area, making sort of a triangle above the nose, and then started with the filigree and swirl type patterns, trying to keep both sides as even as possible. Then I started the pattern underneath the eyes and on the sides of the nose. Here I make a couple of swirl-like shapes. Then I was kind of going for a lace-like shape for the bottom of this mask-like area, and I made these shapes with the gold and then filled in the empty space with the black. It's kind of hard to see because my skin is so light and the gold kind of reflects off of it. But I'm making the shape with the gold first and then filling that in with black. Then next I make sort of the mouth hollow areas on the sides of the face, and trying to sort of incorporate the swirl-like shape into the shape of the mouth. Then once I knew where the mouth part was going to be, I filled in the rest of the upper mask-like area. Then I filled in the teeth lines on the lips, making some of the lines longer and some of them shorter. Then I went and filled in the chin adornment area with black, and then added the gold pattern on top. Then I decided to add some more gold dots to the top of the forehead. And that completes this black and gold sugar skull makeup look. I really like the color combination of black and gold and thought this would be a pretty color combination for a sugar skull makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.